Hi, welcome to Design and M. This is Prashant here. Today we are going to see how to install and uninstall Composer on a Mac. To get started, let me quickly open up Safari and go to getcomposer.org. This is the official website of the Composer, and let me go to the download page. And here we can see the 4 PHP commands that are needed to install Composer. Let me go through that one by one, and to do that let me quickly open up terminal. Over here we are installing Composer right now on desktop. So as you can see, I am in the root now. Let me change it to desktop. So we are right now on the desktop, and let me quickly check if there are any files. And as you can see, the desktop is empty. Now let's copy the first command and let's see what happens. I will resize my windows so that we see what's happening on the desktop as we use this command. So I am on the desktop on the right hand side. So let me copy the first command, paste it, run it. As you can see, this command created a Composer setup PHP script. This PHP script has been downloaded directly from the Composer website. This is the installer script. The second command over here checks the hash file to ensure that we have downloaded the right installer script. Let me copy the second command. I will run this. As you can see from the script, it's testing whether the installer script that we have downloaded is the correct one by checking the hash. And since it is correct, it's mentioning that the installer is verified. If the installer script is wrong, it should show installer corrupt and delete the composer setup.php. Let me quickly run the third script, which is php composer setup.php. So as you can see over here, the latest Composer version has been successfully installed into user's desktop, and a file composer.phar is created, and as you can see over here. But we still have this composer setup.php script, and this is what fourth command does. It deletes that particular file. And run this command. So as you can see, the script file got deleted and your Composer is installed and ready to go. To use the Composer or to call the Composer, the command that you should use is php composer.phar. Let's try this. And over here we can see that the Composer version 2.0.12 has been installed. But every time we can't use the whole command saying php composer.phar. That's a not so intuitive approach. So if I want to use just the command composer, right now I won't be able to use it since this has been installed locally. To install the Composer globally, let's go back to the website again and click on Getting Started. Here we have the option for global installation. As you can see, you have to move your composer.phar to the universal bin folder and rename it as Composer. This is what this command does. So let's copy this command. So what this command is doing is It's taking the composer.pher that's present on the desktop, moving it to USR local bin, and it's renaming it as composer. So as you can see, the composer.pher is no more there on your desktop. So this means it has been installed globally, and now you can use the command composer, and voila. It has been installed globally, and now you can call the composer just by typing composer. So that's it for the installation of composer. Now let's check how to uninstall composer. So let's say you forgot where you installed the composer, but now you want to uninstall it. To quickly do that, run the command which composer. This command gives you the location of the composer where it has been installed. And as you can see, it has been installed in user local bin composer. So what you have to do is type in the command, remove recursively, and then just copy paste the existing path. And that's about it. Now if you type in composer, it says not found. So your composer has now been uninstalled from your computer. There are some instances where the composer is still present in some of the folders, and those are local, cache, and config. So ensure that these 3 folders are also clear from the composer files. Sometimes these folders are hidden, so ensure that you go through these folders and clear composer from there as well. Subscribe if you liked the video, and leave a comment if you loved the video. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.